Hello, this is question number 31 on stoichiometry. Write an equation of reaction between a divalent metal X and HCl. Alright, so first off, the X, that's the metal X, would react with HCl to form a chloride. That's the metal chloride. Okay, so do you think the metal chloride should be XCl? Or XCl2 or XCl3 or X2Cl3? What could it be, right? If it's a divalent metal, it means it's going to ionize like that to give you X2 plus. And our chloride from the HCl will be Cl minus. So that would mean that the charge is +2 and the charge is -1. That would mean that the valency is 2 and the valency here is 1, right? So what happens is that the initial symbols X would exchange the valencies. So you have X1Cl2, which is like XCl2. So it means XCl2 is the formula for the metal chloride that will be formed. Okay, so this is a divalent metal reacting with the chloride ion. You're going to get HCl2, not all these other guys over here. Right, so HCl2 is what will be formed if the metal X should react with HCl. You will form XCl2, and of course hydrogen gas will be produced there as well. You're asked to write an equation, right? So try to write the equation the best way you can by first ensuring that you're getting the right things. This is 2, so I need to put a 2 here, right? So that should balance that out. And just to give it more context, metals will be solid in this case, and the HCl will be the aqueous solution. Then you drop the metal in, right? And then the hydrogen is produced. Yes, so what would you form? XCl2. This one should be a solid. That's the metal chloride, a solid there. And your H2 should be gaseous. So you can write it this way, okay? And this is your equation of reaction between a divalent metal X and HCl. Was this video helpful? Give it a like and subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, and if you're seeing it on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or wherever you're seeing it, just click on the follow button there so that you would see question number 32 on stoichiometry, okay? And I will see you on that one. You see, by the time we're done with this question here, you guys are going to be amazing at stoichiometry, okay? You're going to be really, really great at it. So I'll see you on 32, okay? Bye.